Fading Fringe. My name's Amber and I'm so excited you guys are here today to watch this review on Parker by Jon Renau for MIMO Wigs. This Parker wig is super cute and this color is chocolate cherry. This color is a favorite of mine. I've always loved chocolate cherry. And I'm so excited to share this for the beautiful Michelle Moffat from MIMO Wigs over there in Wee, Scotland. I just love Michelle and MIMO Wigs, so it always makes me so proud to share for such a wonderful gal and a wonderful company. Of course, Jon Renau just came out with Parker along with many other beautiful styles in their fall 2019 collection, and I'm thrilled to share this cute, sassy, flippy, fun, short style with you today. So chocolate cherry, let's talk about chocolate cherry before we move on to Parker. Chocolate cherry is the code FS2V31V. And it's always been just a dynamic, beautiful color. It is part of Jon Renau's chocolate collection. It came out back in what, 2016? Handful of years ago. Can't believe it's been that many years. Time just flies by. I just don't know where it's going. Anyway, chocolate cherry. Look at those highlights. This is what I've always loved about this color. Not only is it bold and beautiful and dark and luscious, but you have these bright, beautiful pops of bold red. Sorry, I couldn't think of the wording I wanted to use. Bold red. It shouldn't have been that hard. I do have chocolate cherry in human hair, and I gotta tell you, it's quite different in human hair versus synthetic. Human hair is a lot more red than brunette. Both are absolutely beautiful though. So let's discuss chocolate cherry. Let's break it down. What are you seeing here exactly? What you have is a blend of colors, which is a black, brown, violet, and a medium red-violet blend with a red-violet bold highlight. And look at that highlight there. I just love this color. It's so pretty. Who else loves chocolate cherry? Let me know. Comment below. All right, so let's talk about Parker. I think Parker is the perfect name for this cute wig. So Parker is quite layered, very textured, has this tousled, wavy, loose waves all throughout, and look at the layers and the texture all throughout. This style has a SmartLace front, and then it has a left monofilament part. So you cannot part this hair on the right, but you do have room for off the face styling. So if you'd like to twist the hair up and away from the face, you can do so. And you know, you have that realistic looking hairline with that individually hand-tied SmartLace front. I love that these waves are unapologetically, is that the right, is that how you say that? Unapologetically wavy, tousled, and it looks so naturally fun and just cute. Very layered and fun. Let's do a turnaround. I think with this fun color, Parker, this is a good combo. Chocolate cherry with Parker. Kind of funky, cool. Parker's just gonna do what she wants. Parker is gonna be who she wants. Parker is going to live and let live. This is how I feel when I wear Parker. Parker ain't gonna take no crap from nobody. Parker is like a boss mom, boss babe type chick, you know? I don't know. I just like Parker. She's cute. I don't know. However, you could do some fun things with Parker, make her look elegant, add a clip, add a headband. I think she does have somewhat of an elegant look to her. I think with Parker, it kind of depends on your style, your clothing choice, the hair color, and just you in general, how that hair portrays when you put her on. Parker is very lightweight at 3.3 ounces. This is synthetic fiber. It's ready to wear straight out of the box. This gorgeous style is baked into the wig. You can wash her, shake her, and this style is going to maintain its beautiful look after washing. No need to go and change the look or do anything with it because it's set this way. So Parker is going to stay fun and beautiful and funky just the way she is. This is an average size cap and I wear an average size wig. I have an average size head and this fits me really, really well. It fits like a glove. Absolutely perfect. She's very comfortable. The bang on Parker is 8.75 inches. I like that you have a good length on this bang. The crown is 9 inches. The sides on Parker are 6.75 inches. And your nape is 4 inches. What do you guys think about these curls on Parker? And what are your thoughts on Parker paired with chocolate cherry? So let's take Parker off and I will show you guys the inside of the cap. Now Parker is going to be a lower price point because it does have the lace front and the single monofilament part. So this is what you have going on right here. You have that lace front that travels back into that single mono part, and then it looks as though you do have what looks to be wefting throughout the remaining area of this wig. It's very breathable, great ventilation, and my liner is falling off. I'm really digging into this wig next to the monofilament part because oftentimes when there's a mono part next to that there can be some permatease in a lot of wigs. So looking closer, I don't see like permalift or permatease. What I see is like close wefted, a close wefted area. If you can see that up close, next to that single monofilament part, it's just a bunch of closed wefted area sewn in right here. And then this is open wefted. And then you have your velvet ear tabs with a bendable wire. And then you have a thin strip of velvet around the nape along with your adjustable straps to make this wig fit your head more true to size. Okay, let's put her back on. I think that this style would be really fun if you use some texturizing type product for synthetic hair. Jon Renau has their pomade, they have like a gel, they have some really great creams and things like that that is specifically made for synthetic hair. Just to add some of that, I do like the softer look to this, but if you wanted to add some more texture to this fun style, I think you can really have a lot of fun with this short style. And sometimes if you have something like this, a shorter style with texture already, utilizing product accessories in that to add more personality and funk it up, it's so fun. So let me know what you guys think about Parker. Who has Parker? Who's tried Parker? Is Parker on your list? What do you think about Parker on me? Be honest, let me know what you think. I think it's really, really cute. Very comfortable, light, natural looking, very fun. She's cute. All right, you guys, if you want to get 15% off over at MIMO Wigs on Jon Renau and many other brands and styles, you can use the code AMBERS AMIGOS, and there are a lot of brands and styles over there. So I'll have all those links down below. I'll have the link to Parker and all of MIMO's social media platforms. She has a lot of really educational, helpful information out there. And hey, thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. I am